Imagine this for a moment. Every second, the equivalent of one garbage truck full of clothes is dumped into landfills or burned somewhere in the world. Now imagine this instead. A fashion brand that doesn't just sell clothes, but stands for responsibility, innovation, and impact. A brand people proudly wear because it aligns with their values. If you've ever dreamed of starting a fashion brand but didn't want to contribute to waste, exploitation, or fast fashion chaos, this video is for you. Let's start with a truth most people won't tell you. Sustainable fashion is not just about using organic fabric or recycled materials. It's about intention, systems, and long-term thinking. Many brands fail because they try to look sustainable instead of actually being sustainable. If you want to do this right, your foundation matters more than your logo. Everything begins with clarity. Before you design a single garment, you need to understand why your brand should exist. Sustainability is a broad word. Are you focusing on eco-friendly materials, ethical labor practices, minimal waste production, circular fashion, or slow fashion principles? You don't need to solve every problem at once, but you must choose a clear direction. Successful sustainable brands are built around a strong mission, not trends. At the same time, you need to identify who you're creating for. Sustainable fashion customers are not all the same. Some prioritize durability and timeless design. Others care deeply about vegan materials or zero-waste packaging. Some are willing to pay a premium for transparency, while others want affordability without guilt. When you clearly define your audience, your decisions become easier, from pricing to design to storytelling. Once your purpose and audience are clear, the next step is research. This is where most beginners rush and make costly mistakes. You need to study the sustainable fashion market deeply. Look at existing brands in your niche, not to copy them, but to understand what's missing. What price points are overcrowded? What styles are overdone? Where are customers still dissatisfied? Your opportunity lies in the gaps. At the same time, research the environmental impact of materials and processes. Not all eco-friendly fabrics are as sustainable as they sound. Some require massive water usage, while others involve heavy chemical processing. Understanding these trade-offs early helps you make honest decisions instead of marketing promises you can't defend later. Now comes one of the most critical steps: sourcing responsibly. Your suppliers will define your brand's ethics more than your Instagram captions ever will. Sustainable sourcing means choosing fabrics, dyes, and manufacturers that align with your values. This could involve organic cotton, hemp, bamboo blends, recycled fibers, or innovative materials like plant-based leather alternatives. But sustainability doesn't stop at materials. You must also consider how the garments are made, who makes them, and under what conditions. Transparency is key here. You don't need a perfect supply chain on day one, but you must understand it. Customers today don't expect perfection, they expect honesty. If you know where your materials come from and how your products are made, you're already ahead of most new brands. As you move from sourcing to design, remember this: sustainable fashion thrives on timelessness. Trends fade quickly, but well-designed pieces with purpose last for years. Your designs should focus on quality, versatility, and longevity. Ask yourself whether this garment deserves to exist. Will someone want to wear it again and again? Will it still feel relevant 5 years from now? Sustainability is as much about reducing overproduction as it is about using better materials. At this stage, your brand identity also starts taking shape. Your name, your story, your visual language, all of it should reflect your mission. Sustainable brands succeed because they tell a story people want to belong to. You're not just selling clothes. You're inviting people into a movement, a mindset, a better way of consuming fashion. By this point, you should have a clear mission, a defined audience, responsible sourcing plans, and intentional designs. This is the foundation. Now that you've built a strong foundation, it's time to turn your sustainable fashion vision into a real, functioning business. This is the stage where many great ideas fail, not because they're unethical or poorly designed, but because they're not planned strategically. Let's talk about production. One of the biggest mistakes new fashion founders make is producing too much too soon. Sustainability and overproduction cannot coexist. Instead of launching with dozens of styles and large quantities, start small. Limited runs not only reduce waste, but also allow you to test demand, gather feedback, and improve your designs. This approach protects both the planet and your finances. Choosing the right manufacturer is just as important as choosing the right fabric. Look for partners who are open about their processes, wages, and working conditions. Ethical manufacturing often costs more, and that's okay. Sustainability is about fair value, not cheap shortcuts. What matters is consistency and accountability. A manufacturer who shares your values will grow with your brand, not work against it. Now comes the topic that makes many people uncomfortable: pricing. Sustainable fashion is often more expensive to produce, but that doesn't mean it has to be inaccessible. Pricing should reflect true costs, including ethical labor, quality materials, responsible packaging, and fair profit margins. Instead of competing with fast fashion on price, compete on value. When customers understand what they're paying for, many are willing to invest. This is where storytelling becomes essential. Transparency builds trust. Show your audience how your garments are made, where the materials come from, and why your prices are what they are. Behind-the-scenes content, honest explanations, and real numbers can transform skepticism into loyalty. People don't just want sustainable products, they want proof. At this stage, you may hear a lot about sustainability certifications. While certifications can add credibility, they're not mandatory at the beginning. Many are expensive and time-consuming. What matters more early on is clear communication and verifiable claims. If you do pursue certifications later, make sure they align with your brand values and are recognized by your target market. Certifications should support your story, not replace it. Next, let's talk about launching your brand. A sustainable fashion launch is not about hype, it's about trust. Instead of chasing virality, focus on building a genuine connection with your audience. Start sharing your journey before your products are even available. Document your struggles, decisions, and lessons. When people feel involved, they become emotionally invested. Your first customers are not just buyers, they're your early community. Treat them that way. Listen to their feedback, acknowledge their concerns, and evolve openly. Sustainable brands grow best through word of mouth, not aggressive advertising. When people believe in your mission, they naturally become ambassadors. E-commerce is often the most sustainable way to start, especially if you're using made-to-order or small batch production. It reduces waste, lowers overhead costs, and gives you better control over inventory. Pay attention to packaging as well. Minimal, recyclable, or reusable packaging reinforces your values and strengthens your brand image. Marketing sustainably also means resisting manipulation. Avoid greenwashing at all costs. Overpromising or exaggerating sustainability claims can destroy trust instantly. Instead, focus on progress. It's okay to say you're still improving. In fact, honesty about imperfection often resonates more than claims of being 100% sustainable. As your brand grows, sustainability becomes an ongoing process, not a finish line. Continuously evaluate your materials, suppliers, logistics, and impact. Look for ways to reduce waste, improve durability, and extend product life through repairs, resale, or recycling programs. The most respected sustainable brands are those that evolve responsibly over time. Finally, remember this: launching a sustainable fashion brand is not the easiest path, but it is one of the most meaningful ones. You're not just creating clothes. You're challenging an industry built on excess and exploitation. You're proving that style and responsibility can coexist. And in a world that's becoming more conscious every day, brands like yours are not just relevant, they're necessary. If you're serious about building a fashion brand that aligns with the future, start where you are, stay honest, and build with intention. Sustainability is not a trend. It's the next chapter of fashion, and you can be part of writing it.